Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about settling your workers' compensation case. When's the proper time to settle? How do you have leverage in your case? When will the insurance company want to settle with you? These are all very, very important questions at the right time of your case. I want you to know right now that if you choose to hire my firm and talk to me about your case, we are never going to push someone to settle a case if it's not the right time. I'm going to always talk to you about the factors that would lead me to tell you that it may be time to settle your case. And if you have certain things going on in your case, I may say, whoa, there could be a problem here. You may want to get it settled sooner than later. On the other hand, if it's something where it's not a situation like that and you need more treatment, or you're doing okay on the weekly checks, or you're still doing a light duty job and getting more treatment and you're not ready to settle, we work on it with you together. But understanding the right time to settle your workers' compensation case and building your case into the proper way to get you the most leverage is extremely important. It gives you and me, if I'm your attorney, the right time and the right place to be able to approach the insurance company with, hey, we've got now this, and this in the case, and we can list what it is that we have, whether it's you're out on weekly benefit checks, the medical care that you have with the authorized treating physician. Perhaps we've got you a second opinion and maybe a third opinion, where we have medical records that are going to be helpful to convince the insurance company that this is not going away. Perhaps we've sent you to get a permanent impairment rating, or you're working with the authorized treating physician and they're getting that for you. You've got a situation where the employer doesn't have a proper job for you and probably never will. These are types of things that we look at to determine when is the best time to settle. The insurance company, of course, hates all of that. They want the doctor to release you back to regular duty as soon as possible. They want to see that there's no medical care that's going to be needed in the future and that you don't have a permanent impairment rating. There couldn't be more opposite factors that you want to have happen in the case versus the insurance company. And so the point of it is that we need to look at each case individually. We need to advise our clients truthfully about where you are in your case, what needs to happen in your case to get you some of the leverage in order to settle it if that's something you want to do, and also be very, very mindful of what's going on in the insurance company adjuster's office, because as much as you're looking at your case one way, they may be looking at your case another way, and they may be sending you out to their doctors to get the doctors to say, we don't see anything wrong, or this MRI could be read this way or that way. Maybe somebody says you have a herniated disc, but somebody else says you have a bulging disc. Big difference in the treatment that you need and the value in the case. So if you would want to talk about how to look at your case, how to understand to evaluating your case, when proper leverage is in the case or needs to get there in order to settle the case, please give us a call. We have years and years of experience of doing this, and we're happy to help you. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.